Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by writing a clear condition. If score greater or equals 60, why? Because conditions evaluate to true or false and drive flow. Once declared, run a quick test with console. Write line to confirm branches execute. Make sure your variables are initialized before use and that comparisons use the right operators. Also use parentheses to clarify complex logic. Now type a simple if block in your main method and execute. You should see the expected output and know the path works. Once your basic if works, expand with else if to handle multiple cases and an else for defaults. You do this because sequential checks stop at the first true condition, so order matters. When you need combined criteria, use and for or, and to invert a Boolean. Make sure to avoid redundant conditions and prefer specific checks first to prevent shadowing. Then run scenarios that hit each branch so you verify every path executes as intended. To finish, refactor long if/else chains into methods or use switch and pattern matching for clarity and maintainability. You do this to reduce errors and make unit testing easier. Once done, add comments that explain non-obvious rules and write small tests that assert expected branches. If things go wrong, pause and reproduce the failing input, then step through with the debugger or sprinkle console. Write line statements to observe variable states. That will quickly reveal incorrect comparisons or uninitialized values.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.